we're not getting it, at least yesterday. And while it's a little cooler than some of those interior spots, I mean, we're still seeing some very warm weather, and you still run the risk of heat-related illnesses along the coast. We still have excessive heat warnings for the beaches today, so just a heads up, if you are headed to the beach today, pack those coolers with plenty of water. Take a look at all these record high temperatures we saw yesterday. Burbank up to 110 degrees, and none of these temperatures are really going to be much different than yesterday, except for Long Beach. Long Beach reached 109 yesterday. We'll have some better cooling at the coast today. Anaheim reached 107, Camarillo 106, Oxnard also in the triple digits, and then Newport Beach reached a record of about 97 degrees. It's very hot for Newport. So it was a hot one yesterday. Today is going to be very similar, and we're not seeing relief in the overnight hours either. So it's going to be a warm start to your Labor Day today. We're in the upper 70s to low 80s this morning. We'll get a wet. If you were in any areas like the Santa Clarita Valley yesterday, the Antelope Valley, we saw so many thunderstorms and some very strong ones too that brought in some very gusty winds, some brief heavy rain. Some of those areas reached up to about 1/10 of an inch to 1/2 of an inch of rain yesterday, which was great because we really need it. Unfortunately, with the thunderstorms, you do run the risk of some dry lightning. So, today we do have another chance of thunderstorms. It's not going to be as strong as yesterday. We're not expecting it to cover as wide of an area or to move as far west as we saw yesterday, but just know that it is there. Excessive heat warnings, also any changes from Wednesday to Thursday in those interior areas. That's because this high pressure is not going anywhere until this weekend, and then hopefully it's expected to move a little bit further and weaken a bit, but we still have all that flow around that high pressure, and it's bringing in some of that moisture from the desert southwest. That's what's causing some of that instability too, and bringing some moisture into the air along with the heat, causing some thunderstorms, and that's what happened yesterday. Now, as we get closer to the end of the week, this is what we are looking forward to. There's a tropical depression that's expected to upgrade to a tropical storm K, and it's going to be moving up the coast of Mexico later this week, and then potentially bringing us some rain here on Friday and on Saturday. Small chances right now because it's still so far out, and it's going to be dependent upon what that high pressure does as we head into later this week. But you can see Friday night, we have some rain there just near Southern California, and you can see it off the coastal waters there. And then that moves in on Saturday too, bringing the chance for some showers. So we may get some wet weather here this weekend, and so we'll all be getting some relief here by the weekend. Ladies, I will send it back to you.
Okay, thank you very much. Let's take a